If ChatGPT is your only AI tool, you're leaving $50,000 on the table. I'm not exaggerating. While you're typing prompts, your competitors are using AI tools that automate entire workflows, analyze customer data in real time, and save 240 plus hours per year per employee. 77% of companies use AI beyond ChatGPT. Let me show you the hidden AI stack that's actually running successful businesses in 2025. This is all about AI, and you're about to discover the tools ChatGPT can't replace. Look, ChatGPT is incredible for what it does. Writing emails, brainstorming ideas, answering questions. But here's what it can't do. Automatically sync your CRM with your email campaigns. Transcribe 10 hours of meetings and extract action items. Monitor your competitors. Pricing changes 24/7. Build multi-step automation workflows without code. Generate real-time business analytics dashboards. ChatGPT is a language assistant. It's one tool in your toolbox, but running a business, that requires a complete AI stack. And most businesses are missing 5 critical categories that make or break productivity. Let's fix that. Here's how a complete AI business stack actually works. The 5 pillars beyond ChatGPT: automation, connects your apps, and eliminates repetitive tasks. Analytics turns your data into actionable insights. Meeting intelligence records, transcribes, and summarizes calls automatically. Research and monitoring tracks trends, competitors, and news in real time. Specialized content creates videos, designs, SEO content beyond text. Each category solves a problem ChatGPT was never designed for. And the businesses dominating your market, they're using all 5. Let me show you the exact tools that are saving companies hundreds of hours and thousands of dollars every single month. Automation. You're manually copying data between Slack, Gmail, Google Sheets, your CRM, and 15 other apps. The solution: N8N and Zapier. Companies save 240 to 360 hours per employee per year with automation. 65% reduction in manual work, $12,000 saved annually by a single marketing agency using Zapier. Zapier is plug and play. 7,000 plus app integrations, 0 coding required. Perfect for non-technical teams. N8N is open source and way cheaper for complex workflows. It generated $40 million in revenue because developers love its flexibility. ChatGPT can't do that. These tools can. Meeting intelligence, raise your hand if you've ever left a meeting and thought, wait, what were the action items? The solution: Fathom AI. 95% of users stay fully present in meetings. No more frantic note-taking. Saves 6+ hours per team member every week on follow-up work. 3x faster from meeting to execution. Averages 20 minutes saved per meeting. Fathom joins your Zoom, Teams, or Google Meet, records everything, transcribes in real time, and automatically generates summaries with action items. And the best part? It's free. One Reddit user said, "is way better than everything else I've tested." That's not hype. That's just efficient business. ChatGPT can summarize text you paste into it. Fathom does the entire workflow automatically. Specialized tools that handle what ChatGPT can't touch. Let me rapid fire some hidden gems from actual business owners. For email management, Superhuman, AI-powered inbox that cuts email time by 50%. Meet Oscar, built with its own LLMs specifically for email sorting. Or documentation, eesel AI, plugs into your Zendesk Confluence and answers support questions using your company's specific context. For content and SEO, JackSEO does newsjacking automatically, pulling real-time headlines and generating SEO content that matches current events. For video calls and transcription, Whisper Flow, voice-to-text automation that integrates with your entire workflow. For browser automation, 100x Bot records your screen once, builds reusable agents automatically. No coding, no API setup. These tools combined can save 15 to 25 hours per week for small teams. 93% of Zapier customers say automation makes them better at their jobs. Over 2.2 million businesses Now use specialized AI beyond ChatGPT. Notice the pattern? Specialized generalist. ChatGPT is amazing at language. But for operations, you need purpose-built tools. ChatGPT can explain what data means, but it can't pull live data from 10 different sources and visualize trends automatically. The solution? Polymer. Friendly AI-powered insights. Akkio. No-code predictive analytics. 22% average cost reduction in 3 years from automation. One insurance company used AI analytics to reduce claim processing time by 70%. That's millions in savings. ChatGPT can analyze a spreadsheet you upload. These tools analyze your entire business in real time. Here's the secret sauce. These tools don't replace each other. They stack. The winning combo: ChatGPT, brainstorming, copywriting, quick answers. N8N, Zapier, connecting all your apps and automating workflows. Fathom, meeting intelligence and action item extraction. Specialized tools: email, content, browser automation based on your industry. Analytics platform, real-time business insights. When you combine these, you're not just using AI. You're operating on AI, and that's the difference between staying competitive and getting left behind. So here's what I want you to do today. Step 1, pick one pillar you're weakest in. Step 2, try the free version of the tool I mentioned. Step 3, set up one automation this week. Start with Zapier free. 5 zaps to test automation. Fathom free, unlimited recordings. N8N community, self-hosted, no cost. And then come back and tell me in the comments, which tool saved you the most time? I'm reading every single comment, and I'll answer your questions. If this opened your eyes to what's possible beyond ChatGPT, hit that like button and subscribe to All About AI for weekly breakdowns of tools that actually move the needle. Because we're not here for hype, we're here for results. Look, AI is moving fast. 77% of companies are already exploring AI beyond basic chatbots. In 2025, the next one, the businesses that win won't be the ones using the most AI tools. They'll be the ones using the right stack for their operations. ChatGPT is your starting point. These tools, they're your competitive advantage. Thanks for watching. Now go build something that saves you 20 hours a week. See you in the next one.